बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज की वीडियो का टॉपिक है टैक्स स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ पाकिस्तान। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल define tax definition and understanding, then Pakistan's taxation system and structure, then income tax, sales tax, excise duty and custom. Then tax, income tax, sales tax, excise duty, customs duty, penalties, tax rates, and exemptions. First of all, tax. To tax, from the Latin taxo, I estimate. Word origin 1250 to 1300, to impose a financial charge or other levy upon taxpayer, an individual or legal entity by a state or the functional equivalent of the state, such that failure to pay is punishable by law. In history, Egypt, tax collectors were known as scribes. Tax on cooking oil. Greece, War of the Athenians imposed a tax referred to as asphora. No one was exempted. Roman Empire 680 AD, tax on imports and exports called portoria. Great Britain, first tax assessed in England was during occupation by the Roman Empire. Lady Godiva, 11th century. Salient features of Pakistan tax system. In federal income tax ordinance 2001, heavy reliance 53% on withholding tax. Progressive personal income tax, maximum rate 20 to 25%. Corporate income tax 35% rate. Universal self assessment scheme. Then General Sales Tax Act 1990 on goods only. VAT features zero rating also of domestic sales of exporters. Standard rate of 17%. Exemptions to basic food items, agriculture inputs and medicines and newsprint. Custom Duty Customs Act 1969. Cascaded traffic structure, maximum rate 25%, 6 slabs. Traffic peaks in automobiles and other luxury goods. Share of dutiable imports 51%. Excise duties, Federal Excise Act 2005. On few industries like cigarettes, beverages, and cement. On services in VAT mode. 1% excise duty across the board on manufacturing and imports. Provincial taxes, AIT, land revenue, stamp duty, motor vehicle tax, property tax, excise, sales tax on services. Taxation in Pakistan is a complex system of more than 70 unique taxes administered by at least 77 agencies of the government of Pakistan. The government is seriously indebted, and only 1.9 million people in a country of 170 million filed tax returns at all in 2010. An estimated 10 million people are registered to pay taxes in Pakistan. The great majority don't pay a rupee. Income tax Ordinance 2001. Levied on the income of the individuals or businesses, corporation or other legal entities, often called a corporate tax, corporate income tax. Individual income taxes apply on total income of the individuals with some deductions permitted. Corporate income taxes often tax net income. Income tax Pakistan. Law concerning taxation of income in Pakistan is stated in the Income Tax Ordinance 2001, and the rules framed therein revised Income Tax Rules 2002. The ordinance is a central statute and is therefore applicable to the whole of Pakistan. Under Section 4 of this ordinance, income tax is imposed for each tax year at specified rates on every person who has taxable income for the year. Taxable income, total income, and the residence. Heads of income in Pakistan. These are 5 heads. Salary, income from property, income from business, capital gains, income from other sources. These are the topics of income tax. taxation system in Pakistan. Thank you so much.